Hi fam, welcome back to another vlog. So today's our second day here in Singapore and pangalawang araw din ng Creatorverse today. Alas 9 na ng umaga ngayon. I had a great sleep last night. Ang sarap ng kama dito sa hotel and talaga nakapagpahinga ako kagabi. And ngayon, ready na tayong umalis. Ito yung binili nating twili kagabi sa Chinatown Street Market. Tapos I'm just wearing white shirt and black polo. Ayan. So, ready na tayong bumaba. Magbe-breakfast muna tayo. 10 a.m. pa yung start ng event. So, meron tayong 1 hour for breakfast. Pero, 9:30 start na yung registration. So, tara, baba na tayo, fam. And let's have breakfast. Okay. Done with breakfast. Ngayon, mag-register na tayo. Hi, fam. Ingay ko. Ito yung registration booth natin. Hi, Van.
Hi, Pam. Again.
Hello.
Good morning, Pam.
Good morning. Bestie. Gaganda si Jax.
Good morning.
Good luck, Jax!
We are so hyped for the So what are you looking forward to, Mami Jane?
Yung speech ni Jax.
Oh.
Ay, yung talk niya.
King of Cloak, guys.
Oo.
Okay guys, I'm telling you. Usapan natin yan. What a credit card and the debit card is. So now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Creator. Maya o Go Time. Yes, sinasabi sa'yo, ikaskas mo na yan.
Jax, kuwang-kuha nila. Meron tayong ID. Pabuhay! Ay, asa siya? Ay, ang ganda naman ng stage.
Okay, I'm gonna ask
Love it!
Tiana from Malaysia. Creatorverse! Hey! Hello, everyone. Give yourselves a big round of applause, please. Good morning. Thank you guys for coming in early as you right. When I say 1, 2, 3, everyone say huh. Okay? Huh. Okay, let it out. 3, 2, 1. Huh. Okay, one more. Guys, I have to feel your body really like huh. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Huh. All right, Creatorverse, are you ready? Yeah. All right, to start off today's session, you will take us through Club's 10-year journey from its humble beginnings to becoming a leader in experiences and of course, to give us a glimpse of what else Club has to offer. Ethan?
Fantastic for Klook, fantastic for everyone here. Three of the more popular things they would do is I hear a lot about culture earlier, pricing and the details and the cabin design and all that we share with everyone. We are an official partner of Disney, Disney Cruise, Disney theme parks globally, and if you want to learn more about Disney, Klook would be the first one to tell you. All right. It's really
Ayan,
diverse.
tomorrow may ano kami.
Exclusively,
Halloween
and
Horror Night
You
sa
will really
Universal
love it,
Studios.
and whomever can still
Excited
make it
kami.
available, but
Okay, challenge time. So, nag-groupings kami and we're gonna do videos. It's time to experience paradise in Pickering!
3, 2, 1, action! Okay, nice! Nice!
Si Alf na. That is you! It's well with Babu! Okay, transition ng labanan dito. Let's go! Hi fam, ayan, 4 PM na. Hindi na ako nakapag-update ng mga ganap kanina sa summit and sa activity. So yung activity, nakagawa na kami ng video. Mamaya daw ipa-flash yun sa screen yung top 6. Tapos mamimili kung sinong winner, no? So may prizes, ang saya. Anyway, 4 PM na ngayon and meron kaming 2 hours na mag-ayos. No, kaya umakyat ako dito sa taas, magsha-shower ako, tapos maya-maya aakyat na si CJ, yung ating kinuhang mag-makeup sa atin, no? So yun lang, balikan ko kayo mamaya ulit. Sorry, parang paputol-putol yung mga clips ko today. Ang dami lang talagang mga ganaps and all. So mag-aayos muna ako, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Ayan fam, ito na ang ating makeup artist from Singapore, course, si Sir CJ. Ayan.
Hello!
Siya ang bahala sa atin ngayon.
Ako nang bahala sa inyo.
Okay, fam. Ayan, nakaayos na tayo. Grabe. Napakaganda po ng ating ayos. Care of our makeup artist / stylist / overall. Si CJ, thank you so much.
Hello, thank you.
Grabe, tinulungan niya ako sa lahat. Yung pagsastyle din, yung pagsuot and everything.
Oo.
Ayan,
Ayan
so-
ko yung sa gilid mo, ikot ka nga.
Oo, ayan. Oh, pakita natin yung kanyang
Details.
details.
Oh, with all the accessories.
O, diba? Here's our outfit. Tapos, here's our bag from Oraya's Essentials. Here's our full outfit. Let's go, baba na tayo. Ayan, we're sitting at table 11. Main! Guys, hello!
Ay, finally! Oh my God! Wait, ready na ako mag-cheer for you!
In Philippines!
Congrats na agad! Ano pa lang? Anong oras pa lang? 6:51 pa lang. I call it. Tandaan niyo yan I called it. Kahit lahat naman in-expect.
Thank you, saan kayo? Ito, 14.
Ka ba? Ayun lang! Ito pa din!
Thank you! Kainin tayo, JM Badkisho. Yan, kainan na agad, syempre. Appetizer tayo. Ang bilis, awards night na agad. Trailblazer Award.
For Trailblazer Award goes to Hawaii.
Ay! Woohoo! Saya! At saya naka-table natin siya. Congrats! Love it! Authenticity champ, si Justin ang representative natin dyan.
The true and unfiltered moments of exploration.
Good luck!
Amang and Liho.
Kasama siya.
And last but not and the winner for the authenticity champ goes to Justine.
Philippines! Philippines! Woohoo!
She has a gift of capturing travel in its
Go,
truest
bestie!
form, unfiltered, relatable, and full of those moments we all recognize. Her storytelling feels like you're right there with her. From the heights to the everyday challenges, making travel more approachable and real. For the visionary trendsetter is Archie.
Yes! Woohoo! Congrats, Archie!
First of all, I just want to say thank you to all my followers who voted me for this award. For sure, they were a big part of this. That's why I won this category. And also, I would like to thank Club, especially Club Philippines, Ms. Bati Santos, for believing in me.
The winner for the iconic Duo Traveler Award goes to Chuck and Joe.
Congrats, Chuck and Joe! Congratulations!
That's why they are this year's iconic Duo Traveler, Chuck and Joe.
Wow, thank you, iconic. We couldn't believe we won this award. To be nominated with our friends, Susan Travelers, Anderson Day, and together with our creators in this category, it's already an honor. But to win this award, oh my God, it's a wonderful surprise for the two of us. We remember when we were creating travel content, when we were starting to create travel content in 2018, Look was one of the brands who believed in us. And it's such a great feeling to work with a brand Beach, Manila. So thank you so much, Look, for this award.
Choose our best dress.
Best dress.
For the males, let's start off with Chuck and Joe. We also have Archie Larga,
Yes!
JM Banquisho, and last but not the least, Poppy G.
Oh,
Travel.
mga Pinoy!
Come on stage, please.
Oh,
For our nominees,
Okay.
join me here on stage.
yan si Bestie ko sa makukuha.
Hey! We have here JM.
Wonderful! Alright, our nominees for Best Dressed, once again, Chuck and Joe, Archie Larga, JM Banquisho,
Let's go!
G. Travel.
Let's go, JM. We love you, JM.
Beautiful outfits. They really prepared for this.
Yes.
And now, to choose our winners, let's set aside our countries for now. So let's just pretend this is a pageant. I'm gonna ask you guys, what is the inspiration behind your outfits tonight? And why you should win?
Aww, we love you,
Starting off with
JM.
our iconic duo traveler awardees, Chuck and Joe.
Stabilo Boss. Highlighter, we wore our brightest color, so this is it. It's actually a deconstructed look. Why should we win? Because we always plan our outfits together. So this is not the only time that you will see us doing this. We're always coordinated, so I believe we should win.
Next up, JM Banquisho.
JM!
Yeah, my inspiration is I wanted to wear a skirt because I want to break the stigma that not just the ladies do wear skirt. Men could also wear skirt.
Yes!
Yeah, and I just had a very, very bad wardrobe malfunction a while ago. So I'm really thankful that, I got to be here. Thank you.
Yes!
Next, we have Poppy.
Good evening, everybody. Marhaba. My name is Poppy G from Dubai. I represent the Middle East. And first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you for this wonderful opportunity to be here with all the great content creators around the world. And let's give a round of applause to Cloak. So as you know, I prepared 3 outfits. But I said to myself, I want to bring colors to everybody. And that's what we do. We bring colors to those people of pink, black, and white, and gray. And that's why I'm wearing the different colors of blue today. Not just one, but 100 million colors. Shukran!
Thank you, Poppy. And last but not the least, Archie Larga.
I'm not prepared for this one. But anyway, my outfit is inspired. I just want to be very cutesy, very mindful, and very demure. And also at the same time, because back in the Philippine Creator Awards, my color palette was orange and yellow. So now I want to make use of the color purple or violet. And I want to be in a dress that I'm very comfortable with. So this is very self-expression for me. I don't usually dress like this. I only dress up like this during awards because I just want to tell people that even though I am not straight, I can look fabulous at the camera. Anyway, basically I want a gender fluid outfit that could be worn by a girl or a boy and to express yourself basically. And for tonight, I don't think I will be able to eat because my waist is very stitched. But thank you so much.
Alright, so please take another look at all our best dressed nominees for tonight. And we're doing this very systematically. Okay, cheer guys once again. Archie Larga. Poppy G Travels. JM Banquisho. Chuck and Joe. Our winner for Best Dressed Male is Poppy G. Travels. Thank you to the rest of our nominees.
Naka-wine si Jax. Thank you, Jax.
Cheers.
Cheers! Cheers, guys!
Congrats to the winners.
Yes!
Yellow as well. So yeah, it actually represents all the color of
Si Jax Gabi, napaka-supportive. The ever-supportive. Thank you!
For this award, we have 10 nominees.
10 nominees.
We have JM Patricio,
Yes!
Christina Chandra, The Travel Intern, Blake, Andrew Levin,
Good luck, Andrew!
our winner. Other nominees include Alison Sugahara,
dami nominees din.
Dr. Naina Arya, and Dr. Jintian Tahuya. And our winner for the Insightful Luminary Award is Christina Shasta.
Ay, si Christina, yung kasama natin kanina. Yes, thank you na. Siya yung kasama natin kanina. Si Indonesia. Ayan si Agnes. She knows Christina from Indonesia.
That has also made Hell shine brighter in the hearts of their audience. Her content isn't just informative, it sparks curiosity and inspires wonderlust. Whether she is diving into hidden gems or sharing heartfelt travel tips, she proves that insight can be both fun and impactful, making travel not just a journey but a story worth sharing. Congratulations, Chandra, baby here.
Thank you so much. I haven't had this speech because my husband prepared a speech for me because I'm a bit nervous. Okay. Thank you so much, Luke. I'm truly humbled and grateful to receive the Insightful Luminary Content Creator Award. Thank you so much. Enjoy the party and thank you.
Our Insightful Luminary Awardee, Christina Chandra.
Okay, next, Social Maven Award. Sorry ko narinig yung mga GC Live kong init.
The title, Social Maven, goes to Ivan.
Yes! Go, Ivan!
Which showcases his dedication, but he truly knows how to connect and engage with his followers like no other.
I just want to tell everyone that traveling has always been my passion. And to be recognized for something that I love is truly humbling. And I would like to dedicate, of course, this award for everyone who supported me along the way, to my family, for allowing me to travel, allowing me to get out of our home like 25 days a month. And my friends for supporting me, my co-creator friends for hyping me up, and to my audiences and to my viewers for supporting my videos, for watching my vlogs, and also for using my code. And of course, thank you to Club for supporting my travel journey as well. And to everyone, again, I'll repeat my last statement: the local award is a local award for the Philippines. All together, we will reach places when everything will be possible with Club. Thank you.
Social Maven Awardee, Ivan De Guzman.
Go, Abs! Si Alps is the Just Got Fed!
Isabel Rosa. Lothian Nguyen. Sam Todd.
Oh, si Sam.
Cash. And last but not the least, Lana.
Ayan, si Sam from Australia. Good luck, Sam! Sir Lucky Cat from Japan.
Naina Von Cash.
It's okay. Still congratulations.
Right for this year's Rising Star is none other than Dr. Naina and Dr. Julian.
Ayan, nakita ko yung socials nila ng dalawa. Mga doctors sila.
Enthusiasm is infectious. In a short span of time, they have not only embraced the Club Creator Program that has also sparked inspiration.
It's a nice surprise. Thank you.
The Creator of the Year Award.
Go Jax! Woohoo!
The Creator of the Year Award is awarded to the top generating creator of 2020.
Jax! OMG! Pam!
Creator Adam.
Alam nyo si Jax kahit ganyan niya, napaka-humble niyan. Sasabihin lang niya sa'yo, magdilang anghel ka. Oo. Wait lang ha, ito na yung food natin. Focus tayo dito sa Creator of the Year. Go Jax! Go Philippines! Go Jax!
And unlock the best deal. Our Global Creator of the Year awarding 2024 is Jax
Video natin si Jax.
Creator of the
Ay! Wait. Sorry.
Out of the 60,000 creators, this powerhouse has emerged as a top sales-generating
Go
star.
Jax!
His knack for connecting with his followers through his live streams, authentic and relatable content has helped to inspire travel dreams in his communities and has not only driven impressive results, but has also set a new standard for what it means to be a cool creator. Jax has showcased the magic of travel while making it irresistible for his followers to book their next adventure. More importantly, of course,
Can I sit here?
once again, let's give our Global Creator of the Year, Jax Reyes, a round of applause.
Thank you. Okay, I'm lost with words. The first one is I want to give thanks to Clock. The first thing will always be Clock. Thank you for having this event and thank you for creating this night for creators. And of course, to all of our followers, because they are the reason why we're here. And of course, you content creators, this is not my award. I believe that this is all our award. Because traveling is not easy. Creating a travel content is not easy. It's very hard actually. It's somebody who's very introverted, who's super shy. I would have never imagined that I will be creating content and standing here right now. So I want to inspire, of course, all of the content creators to still create content, but to also aspiring content creators who is so afraid to post that single post. Like what I said earlier, if I hadn't post that video way back in the pandemic, I would have never imagined that I can be part of everyone here, a content creator who travels, who creates finance content. And of course, last but not the least, definitely we always have to remember to give thanks to our followers because all of their shares, all of their likes, all of their reposts. Okay, that's so old, reposts. I aged myself. Okay, all of them is why we're here. It's always because, and we do it because of our followers. And we always create that content to create value. So again, to everyone here, thank you so much. And of course, this is our award. This is not my award. We're all Creator of the Year.
Yeah.
So Creators of the Year. Congratulations and thank you.
Congrats, Jax!
Global Creator of the Year, Jax Reyes. Give yourself a
Yes!
round of applause. Congratulations to all our winners. See you guys tomorrow for Experience Zen and DJ. Hit it.
yung nominated doon.
Thank you! Yes, Gerald.
Hi, guys!
Hello!
Ready? Alright, in Singapore!
Come on, I met Yasmin. Our, yeah, pretty Filipina kababayan from Malaysia. O, diba? She's representing Malaysia pero proud Pinay. O.
Proud na proud ako. Super.
Yeah. So
love you
pretty.
guys.
Nice to meet you.
Mwah.
Bye-bye, see you later. Ang saya. Ayan, fam. Grabe, no, ang saya. Nakakatawa yung mga kasama natin sa elevator. Bakit may maglabas ng camera? Ang bibilis, talagang ready. Sabi namin mga content creator talaga. Anyway, umakyat na ako, fam, kasi ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Like kanina pa nang uminom kami ng wine, humilab na yung tiyan ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, umakyat na ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Kailangan natin CRT, tawag tayo ni Inang Kalikasan. Alright, ayan. Grabe, ano oras na ba? Cute ng bag natin, famo. Magagamit ko pa ito sa mga ibang events na attenda natin. Okay, sa wakas nakapag-settle din tayo. Grabe, nag-usap kami ni Inang Kalikasan. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Maybe because nag-wine kasi ako kanina tapos wala pa ako masyadong kain. Kaya siguro humilab yung tiyan ko. Anyway, 10 PM na ngayon and time to rest. Grabe, ang saya nung awards night. Go Team Philippines! Naitayo ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Ilang awards yung nakuha natin out of all the awards. Nanalo si Bestie Justine, Chuck and Joe, si Archie, si Jax, si Ivan. 5 out of 8 awards ang nakuha natin. Although tayo, hindi po tayo pinalad na manalo. And si Alps of Just Got Fed, iba rin yung nanalo. Pero yung on my category ang nanalo si Christina. We've met her kanina. She's a content creator from Indonesia. She's so nice. And yung kay Alps, I forgot kung sino nanalo kay Alps. Pero nakuha ko yun sa clip kanina. So yun, fam. Okay lang naman sa akin. Kagaya nga sinabi ko kahapon, manalo matalo sa awards, happy na ako kasi pag-iisipin mo yung mga blessings talaga. Parang being here pa lang, na-invite ka lang ako dito. An all expenses paid trip to Singapore. Happy na. Kaya, ayun, kahit hindi tayo nanalo ng awards, okay na okay lang. And maybe hindi pa talaga ito yung para sa atin. And naniniwala ako na ibibigay ni Lord yung para sa atin at the right time. No? Nag-aaya silang lumabas. Di ko alam kung anong oras. May after partying magaganap. Pero yun nga sabi ko, akyat na muna ako kasi humihilab na yung tiyan ko. And mag-aayos na muna ako, mag-remove tayo ng makeup. Nako, bago pa tayo magkalimutan, I would like to thank lahat ng mga tumulong sa akin sa event na to. Number 1, si Hamu. Hanggang sa pagsusuot ko kanina, they want to video call kasi gusto nilang makita, mag-assist. And they were very accommodating, no? Talagang they are checking up on me, kung ano yung nangyayari, kung okay ba yung outfit, ganun. So, thank you kay Hamu. And super ganda ng outfit, fam, diba? Pangalawa, thank you to my family kasi super supportive, no? Nagchat-chat sila. Pati mga cousins, sila Kasana, sila Kasvi, all the cousins, ayan, nagchat sila. How's the event going? Ayan. Tapos, thank you kay Rika. Si Rika is isa sa mga fam or subscriber natin na based dito sa Singapore. Kasi since based siya dito, sa kanya ako nagpatulong maghanap ng makeup artist. So itong dalawang to parang hulog ng langit sa akin, si Rika and si CJ, yung na-meet natin kanina, ang aking makeup artist and stylist. Kasi syempre mag-isa lang ako dito sa Singapore and walang ibang tutulong sa akin sa pag-aayos, sa pagdadamit, 'di ba? Pero itong dalawa, si Rika, grabe yung tulong na ginawa sa akin. And si CJ, parang hulog ng langit kasi hirap na ako kaninang mag-ayos kasi nga ang laki ng damit ko, first time ko magsusuot ng ganong kabonggang damit. And yeah, may mga hinarap kaming mga issues kanina pero ayun, hulog ng langit si CJ, tinulungan niya ako, even the accessories, no? But I was very happy with the outcome, no? Yung Zara na denim, tapos si CJ, dinalan pa ako ng mga accessories kanun, so na-complete naman yung outfit natin. So all in all, it was a fun day for us and ang daming mga taong tumulong sa akin sa araw na to, kaya ayun, nagpapasalamat talaga ako na ito talaga yung mga sinend ni Lord for you na, ikaw mag-isa ka dyan, wala tutulong sa'yo, ito, patulungin ko sa'yo, ganong levels. So, kaya I'm so thankful to these people, no? So, kung naghanap kayo ng makeup artist, if you have an event dito sa Singapore, si CJ, napakagaling, and hindi lang siya makeup, pati yung hair ko, ginawa niya, nalagyan niya ng volume yung hair ko, tapos in-effort pa niya to, grabe. Ayun, super okay. Thank you, Rika and CJ. So, yun, ang haba ng story time ko, fam. Baka hindi na ako mag-vlog mamaya, tignan na lang natin kung makapag-vlog pa ako, kung if ever man nalalabas kami for the after party. But yeah, that's it for our day 2 here in Singapore. Dito sa Creatorverse, super saya ng ating day 2. Again, fam, maraming salamat sa inyo, sa support niyo. Because of you, we are here. And maraming salamat din sa lahat ng bumoto kasi nag-post ako niyan na nagpaboto kami kung sino yung mananalo dun sa award. So, ang criteria kasi ng award pala is 40%. It was deliberated by Klook alone. Tapos yung 60% is yung votes. So, marami pa ring factor yung voting. And yeah, maraming salamat fam sa lahat ng nag-vote sa inyo. Hindi lang sa akin, pero sa buong Team Philippines, 'di ba? Naghakot ng awards ang Team Philippines, kaya ayun. Super happy kami dito sa Singapore and we're sharing this very good news to you dahil syempre part din kayo ng success na ito. Thank you fam sa mga bumoto sa akin, appreciate ko kayo, and lalo na sa mga nagsisend ng DM, ng comments na yan, voted for you, ganyan. Maraming salamat. So, i-end ko na itong vlog, mag-refreshen up na ako or baka maghilamos na lang ako kasi gusto ko pa yung volume ng aking hair para kung lalabas man kami mamaya, ayan, may volume pa yung hair natin. So yan fam, maraming salamat sa panonood. Before ko i-end itong vlog na to, please do follow me sa aking mga social media accounts, JM Banquisio sa Facebook, at JM Banquisio sa Instagram, and at JM Banquisio _ sa TikTok. Kung nagustuhan niyo itong vlog na to, please pakilike nyo naman sa baba and subscribe kayo sa channel ko and hit nyo na yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na magkakaroon tayo ng bagong upload. Maraming salamat sa panonood and I'll see you on the next Singapore vlog. Bye! Good night!
Close to the sun.